Yes sir, rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another video. The Pull Up King 2010 Toyota Corolla CV axles.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Got our CV axles, brand new. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get the axle nut off. That right there is a 30 millimeter 12 point. Alright, next we got I got a 22 mil on that, and hold this other side. Alright, we knock these out. Alright, once that knocks out, see how it drops. Go ahead and take out that ABS sensor while I'm at it so it don't rip. Get that up out of there. 10 millimeter. Put that bolt back in the hole so I don't lose it. Alright, next. Alright, we should be able to tap the axle back out of the position, and then should be able to pull it out from here. Alright, I push that back. See, it's out of the hole. This right here, it's not really stretching too bad, so it's not gonna break anything. Just go ahead and pull that out, and now go to the other end and tap it out with your pry bar and your hammer. Alright, I already hit it out, tapped it out, got it leaking. Make sure you get your pan, the drain pan, catch that transmission fluid that comes out. Alright, make sure you tap that in and make sure it's secured and it's locked in, because if it don't, it'll pop out and you'll be trying to hit the gas and might leak transmission fluid, and you might not go anywhere because of the transmission is not engaged with the end of the axle. See that? It has to be in there right, and if it's not, you're gonna get a bad installation. All right, so next we want to put some bearing grease on this end right here, because when it goes in, it can't seize to it. It can get stuck a lot of times if it's been in it for a while, and you don't want that to happen. So bearing grease is going to prevent it. That's it. Just put it on there, stick it in. Alright, got it in. Go ahead and tighten everything down. And that is it for that side. On to the passenger. Passenger side, same routine. Gonna run through this real quick. Alright, we at this point. Start pulling that out. Go back there and tap it out same way you did the other side. Let me get up under here and show you what we're looking like. So that's that side. It's pretty easy to get to knock it out, and that's the passenger side. This is the driver side. It's kind of tight area, you see. So I did get up in here, right here, and just got on pretty much where the lip is, the little nip, the little indention is, and I tapped it out on that side. Got our grease on it. Tighten everything up. That's it, man. Both sides complete. Alright, man. If you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. I appreciate everybody. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll see y'all next video. Pull up, King.
With another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.